Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 4th of July. So this is my last 4th of July look. Happy 4th of July, my fireworks look. One of my managers said, hey, you should try to draw fireworks, and it was a lot harder than I thought, let me tell you, but I think this look came together and it was really pretty. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't mind my kids playing in the background. I'm a mom. There's no silence in the house unless they're sleeping, and if they're doing something they have no business doing, or they're playing their video games. But even then, they're not exactly quiet. This kind of look like it could be a Mardi Gras grip. Look, eyes already primed, so I'm taking my Hello Charmers palette, and I'm going to take this red shade here and apply this as my transition. And if you watched my last video, you will see how I did these brows. Next, I'm going to take this blue shade here and I'm going to apply it, pack it into my outer V and blend that into my crease. And now I'm going to take my Hikari cream pigment and use that to blend it in. Now I'm going to take my City Mini palette by Maybelline, and use that blue to blend in with my outer V and into my crease. Next, I'm going to take my LA Pro Conceal white base to cut to my crease. And I'm going to take these two shades here as my lid shade, using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to blend out my edges with those colors that I used previously. Did my wing liner off camera, then I'm taking my LA blue eyeliner for my waterline. Then I'm going to take that same red and blue to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, lash extensions mascara for my upper and my lower lashes. I love this mascara. Now I'm going to take my Starlit Studio Electric Shot paint with a paintbrush, and I'm going to use this to make my circles for my fireworks. So I'm doing blue, green, and red. And I tried to place them in the same place, but on each side of my face, but I kind of messed up. Then I'm going to take some eyeshadow to put on top to set it so it doesn't crack. Then I did the same thing with green and red. Well, the red is lipstick, so I didn't have a red paint. And now I'm just taking my NYX white eyeliner and drawing what I was trying to make into fireworks, but it didn't look the way I envisioned in my head, and it's very hard to do on your own face, and I keep getting this eyeliner in my hair. And now I'm just going to take some gold glitter and apply inside of each one to give it a little bit of sparkle. Then I'm going to use my fan to dry it down. And then I'm going to take my translucent setting powder to apply on top to set it. Make sure that it doesn't fade, it lasts all day, it doesn't crack or peel. Then I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And for my lips, I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Lip Cream in Submersive Socialite. This is one of my favorites. I ended up buying like 3 more because they went on clearance, so it made me think that they weren't going to get them back in the store anymore. You know how that goes. Right, and I'm going to take my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Use my fan to dry that down. And there you have it. Here's the completed look. I hope you guys are being safe on this 4th of July. Practice social distancing and wear your mask. Stay tuned for my next look. I believe is a wing liner. Then I have my quarantine hair number 3. Then I have a couple of colorful eyeshadow looks, and I have to do some summer stuff too. But thanks for all the support. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.